Best ChatGPT Agent use cases step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, ChatGPT has launched ChatGPT Agent, which was announced on the 17th of July, which merges the functions of several different agent tools previously available in ChatGPT, notably things like deep research, operator, and it introduces enhanced capabilities in a single streamlined package. So what exactly are these new features and who can access them? Starting off, we're going to just talk about the basics of Agent, and then I'm going to demonstrate some of the things that it can do and how you can be using it. So ChatGPT Agent is available on the Plus plans of ChatGPT or OpenAI, and it is also available on the Pro, starting at $20 and $200 a month. Currently, it is not available for free. To access this, just log on to ChatGPT and then click on Tools and then go into Agent mode. Once you go into Agent mode, you guys will see that it is going to display Agent, and then you even have sources. Now, what this allows you to do is you can turn off web search, and you can also link to your application. So if you're using Gmail, Box, Canva, Dropbox, or several other applications can easily be connected over here, which is going to perform in a really amazing way, serving as a fully functional virtual assistant. So gone are the days where you're going to have to automate everything on a separate platform. Now, within its expanded capabilities, we have deep research. We also have internet navigation and automation. We also have code execution, image generation, as well as connectors. Now, we also have a performance leap because this is something that is extremely accurate. This achieves about 75 to 80% of completeness of a curated human research team, compared to around 50% from older agents. Just take a look at this fashion sustainability analysis. Over here, I have provided it a prompt. So I wanted the 5-year financial and environmental outcomes of building a 50-item wardrobe via ultra-fast fashion retailers versus slow fashion certified brands, calculate their garment lifespans, repair costs, CO2 emissions per wear, and microfiber pollution. And I also wanted a decision matrix. Starting off from here, you guys can see a very detailed report with assumptions that were used for the particular 5 years and the wardrobe scenarios. Then it did all the calculations and it provided us with results. So including metrics for the ultra-fast fashion, certified slow fashion, and a new category of second-hand wardrobe, so mixed fabrics. Everything that I asked has been presented over here, and then at the bottom, it has also given me a interpretation of the decision matrix. So within this, they have given us a general interpretation of what exactly would be the cost per wear, what would be causing the highest carbon emissions, so on and so forth. And this is a very detailed report. Now, after this, I asked it to create slides for me, and then it built slides for me like so. And I can easily download these, and I have a slide version ready for my particular report. And these are very accurate reports. So if I was to search any of the facts that are stated here, for example, Earth.org notes that washing clothes releases 500,000 tons of microfibers each year, equivalent to 50 billion plastic bottles. So if I click on the link or the citation, I can directly move towards the article to see where it got this information from, which is something that is very accurate on the agent mode. Now, this is just one thing. You also have rollout and access, and there is, a lot of practical impact because it enables new automation and productivity. So, who should be using this and what are the use cases? Starting off with deep research. Now, this is an example of deep research because this is going to help you in conducting market analysis, competitive benchmarking, or deep research, and then it synthesizes the results into reports or presentations. You can analyze competitors, you can generate slide decks, create side-by-side tables. So if I want to do a market research or market trend analysis for Dubai chocolate, Labubus, whatever you want to do a market research trend on. So I want a trend analysis for Dubai chocolate, and now it is going to provide a complete, comprehensive, detailed research. This is not just going to be surface level facts that, okay, it's currently shooting up in popularity, then it's going to go down in popularity. Instead, it is going to be very, very accurate to the timelines as well as the, highs and lows in the reportings. So you guys can see currently it is now searching the web and then it's going to our full curated report. However, keep in mind when you're using this for deep research, it is going to take more time. So it can take upwards of 14 minutes when it's creating those deeper reports. Now, workflow automation for smaller teams is pretty amazing, where you can prepare briefs for upcoming meetings by pulling data from your own calendar, from past client notes, from your Gmail, or any of your internal emails tool. It can also clean and format your spreadsheet, organize product data, project data, as well as create sprint plans based upon your previous work progress. So this is one example. So you guys can see over here, I connected my Gmail account and I directly only turned on Gmail. I turned off web search and I asked it to find any emails relating to billing. Then via searching through my email, it was able to find all of the billing related emails. So it contains several different billing related emails, and you guys can see multiple different email confirmations and billing notifications, trial reminders, subscription renewals, so on and so forth. So this is a great productivity tool and a great tool to use for instant information and instant analysis. Moving on, you can also use this for lead generation and outreach. You can build your own research proposals and prospects by pulling in info on LinkedIn contacts. You can craft personalized connection requests and messages and have automated targeted outreach. This is going to be something that the agent is going to do way better than you might have done on your own, because it is able to pull data from multiple different sources. So simply describe who you're wanting to contact, how you're wanting to contact, what is your product, and it is going to build the strategy for you. Now, it also can do really good with large data sets and analysis, where it can update financial models, generate or update dynamic spreadsheets containing calculations and summaries. It also has SEO and digital marketing tools, where it logs in to relevant platforms, analyzes keywords, and generates actionable tasks or actionable dynamic recommendations for you for your content optimization. And you guys can see our report is now ready. So it took 3 minutes for this report to be created, and it has even, started off with the actual brand Fixed Dessert, which was the original founder of this particular chocolate, and the market, as well as the drivers of this particular trend, the UAE chocolate trend, distribution channels, product segmentation, innovation, supply chain challenges, and then a conclusion. So just like that, we are able to find an opportunity. And if I ask it to find an opportunity for me within this particular business niche, it would be able to find and tell me the pros and cons of joining the business at this particular moment. Now, when it comes to just use cases, you guys can see it's very diverse. It has multi-tool integrations, continuous interaction, and autonomous deliverables. However, it still requires user oversight for sensitive or critical actions like logging into other platforms, and sometimes when it's dealing with unfamiliar websites or authentications, it might not perform as well. And not every task is going to be easier when it comes to automation. Maybe if you are trying to build a super creative image or a super creative brand aesthetic, this tool might not give you what you're thinking of or what you're looking for. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to use ChatGPT's AI agent within your particular business niche. If you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below which use case do you think AI agent is meant for you and your business.